Still on matters agriculture, a new study has found pesticide residues in over 70% of vegetable from markets in Kenya, raising food concerns over safety. The study recommends that consumers soak vegetables in salty water, wash under running water before cooking to protect themselves from potential health risks linked to pesticides residue exposure.
While pesticides contribute significantly to agricultural productivity, concerns have emerged regarding the continued registration and use of several highly hazardous pesticide formulations that have been restricted or withdrawn in other countries. A study by the Kenya Organic Agriculture Network recommends several ways that consumers can use to reduce pesticide residue in vegetables.
That research was conducted at the University of Nairobi in collaboration with other accredited laboratories, and we were able to sample 45 samples from major markets in Nairobi as mentioned, but we wanted to do them here in our local market using our foods that have been contaminated at production and understand how would they do and what can we advise our consumers on.
This study recommends strengthening of legal and institutional framework governing pesticide management and enhancing the capacity of regulatory agencies responsible for pesticide registration, inspection, residue monitoring, and enforcement.
And we are also here to ensure that we are informing our consumers, who are critical customers, that the food we produced is good, but we want to improve the quality of that food. That's basically the reason why we are here. So we are looking at all these studies, not only this one, but the previous ones, to inform the policy so that we don't develop this policy on hearsay or imagination. We want to use the empirical data that we can be able to say, we have a challenge here. How do we address it?
Our borders are porous, so we'd still find these pesticides coming in. So what should happen? The Minister of Health, the Minister of Agriculture, PCP, BKPs, and everybody else, the extension workers, should be able to reach out especially to the outlets where these products are. We shall cascade this, be able to also do surveillance, especially on our market foods. We're also going to capacity build more our county teams, the public health officers, the agriculture extension officers in all the counties, so that this information does not remain a boardroom discussion, because most of the time you find researches happen.
This study underscores the need to strengthen extension services and enhance training for smallholder farmers to promote good agricultural practices.
Through the National Food Safety Coordination Committee, where the chair is the Minister of Agriculture, the Secretariat is with the Minister of Health, I'm sure this is good news, good pointer for us to see how to ensure that our food is safe for our population. Remember, if it is not safe, it is not food. And if it's not food, it is poison.
Ezekiel Owino reporting for Prime Edition.